Children, see this exercise 1.1. Your 9 problems are there in the first bit. These all problems he is asking to find the values. Determine the values he is asking. Means we have to find the value of log 5 base 25, log 3 base 81, log 1 by 16 base 2. These all problems we have to do. I will explain some problems, the remaining problems you have to do. So first question, log 5 base 25. You have to take it is equal to x. The value of this total you have to take x. Convert it to exponential form. Exponential form. So what children here? Base as it is 25, power x is equal to 5. Just these two are interchange. So 25 we have to write 5 power 2 whole power x is equal to 5 power 1. So it is equal to 5, 2 into x, 2x is equal to 5 power 1, and the equality symbol. When bases are equal, powers are also equal. That's why 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay? Clear? Right. Next, second question also you do like that. Third question, see once. Log 1 by 16 base 2. This is equal to also you have to take x. Then you have to convert as exponential form. Convert as exponential form. Means 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. We have to change, convert as same basis. Here 2 is the base. I need here also 2 is the base. That's why 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. You do the LCM. We have to get 2 power 4. 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Then 2 power x is equal to, this also take as a numerator, means 2 power minus 4. So x is equal to, your answer is minus 4. This is the answer. Right. In the same method, you have to do the fourth question, fifth question. Fifth question, you remove this root. You have to write here 1 by 2 power. So whatever it is, here x is there, means you take as a letter, it is equal to any other letter like a k like that. You take it and you find the answer. This also same, find it. Your point is there. Don't worry, children. You cut this point, remove that point, you have to get 1 by 100. And you have to. That this is also 8 by 27 is there. Okay, I will explain once. 8th question. Log 2 by 3. Sorry. Log 8 by 27 is base of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the base. This is equal to, I am taking as x. So convert into exponential form. Means 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 8 by 27. Very simple question, children. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 8 means 2 cube, 27 means 3 cube. So we have to write 2 by 3 whole power x is equal to, this is also 2 by 3 whole power 3. So that x is equal to, your answer is 3. This is the method to do resolve problems. And go to the next question, the 9th question, that is 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. So it is looking like in algebraic formula 8 to the power of n plus n. You have to write 8 to the power of n into 8 to the power. Write in this form. So how to change this is 2 power 2 into, say, 2 power log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. Okay, already we have the formula. This is just before I given a power log n power n base a. This is equal to, you have to write only this power. So in the same way, 2 square means this is 4, and this we have to write 3. And 4 3 is is your answer. Now clear, children? You have to complete this total bit, children. Check this. See this second bit, children. Once these all are the expansion forms, we have to write in single log. Single log. He is asking to write a single log. Okay. See first question. Log 2. The first question is log 2 plus log 5. So here, what is the base here? It is not given base. Means we have to remember here base is 10. Base is 10. Without anything, any base is not there, means you have to write 10 is the base. Okay. So it is looking like which form? Product form. Means log m base a plus log m base n base a, that equal to log mn base a. You have to write in this method. So what we get, children, here? So log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. You have to write log 2 into 5 base 10. So we get answer is log 10 base 10. This is the answer. Okay. Next. The same way we have to do the second question. Second question, third question. How to write second question? Example, I am taking second also. Log 2 to the power of, log 16. 16 base 2. Here given the base 2 and minus log 2 base 2. So we have to write this is log. This is the second rule. That is quotient rule. Minus is there, means we have to write log 2 16 by 2. Log 16 by 2 base 2. We have to cancel. This is log 8 base 2. Here what formula we are used here? Log m base a minus log m base a, that equal to log m by n base a. So we use this formula and we have to write 16 by 2, that equal to 8. And that 8 we have to write log 8 we have to write 2 cube base 2. And third rule, that is power rule. Third rule is power rule. According to the power rule, 3 we have to write here. 3 log 2 base 2. That equal to 3 into 1, because log a base a is equal to 1. So your answer is 3. This is the method you do the remaining problems. See this third bit, children, here. Evaluate each of the following terms of x and y if it is given that x is equal to log 3 base 2, y is equal to log 5 base 2. Here given such type of questions, and I took one question. I am going to explain this question. By the help of this method, you have to complete the total questions. See here, children. First, log 60. Log 60 base 2. Log 60 base 2. How to write means 60. We have to do the LCM. 230, 215, 3 5. You have to write log 6. Instead of 60, you have to write 2 square into 3 into 5 and here base is 2. And use the product formula. Yeah, first rule, rule 1. It is product rule. According to the product rule, you have to write log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. You have to write like this. And this 2 should decide or you have to get 2 log 2 base 2 and this is log 3 base 2. We have to take log 3 base 2, we have to take x and place this instead of this you have to write y, and this is 2 log 2 base 2 we have to write take 1 because already we know log a base a is equal to 1, so that x plus 1, your answer is 2 plus x plus 1. This is the method, sir. For this problems you have to complete this problem. See here, this is the fourth bit, children. Fourth bit questions he is asking to make them as an expansion. In the expansion, what type of rules are applicable for this question? That rules you have to use it. Example, first, by is there. Here you treat it as base is 10. So, first you have to use the quotient rule. That quotient rule is what, sir? Log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. We have to use this rule. Simplify this. Then we have to get log p square q cube base 10 to treat like that minus log r to the power of 4. R to the power of 4. Here we use the rule second, that is quotient rule. Now here product is there, product rule. By the help of product rule you have to write log p square plus log q cube minus log r to the power of 4. Now use the power rule. According to the power rule you have to write 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. This is the fourth bit questions. Here try to do all this first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. Good children, have a nice day.